Hi guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this LED parking lot LED for reviewing purposes, and I think it's really nice because it can change the temperature that you want the light to be, which I think it's a nice feature. Okay, in here we have the base that you can install in the wall or into a post, which I think it's nice. As you can see, you have these screws to adjust to a post, which I think it's really nice. It comes with these adjustment parts, which I think it's nice. And in this part we have all the screws that we need to install it, if it's on the wall or into a post, which I think it's nice. As you can see, you have the grease right here because, well, when we take this part off, we can just conjoin them so it has certain angle of movement, which I think it's really nice. This is the main unit. As you can see, it's nice. And here we have a light sensor, which it's really nice because that means that you can just leave outside this lamp turned on and it automatically turns on or off depending of the daylight, which I think it's really nice. And in this part of the base you can a space so that you can place the cable through it like this and select the angle that you want, okay, which is really nice. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and install it. I'm gonna place the base up on the wall and I'm gonna wear this part. I'm gonna take it out through here and connect it to a cord so I can just plug it in and plug it out. Okay, so let's go. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed and we have another lamp turned on, and as you can see, we can barely see a thing with the other lamp turned on, which I think it's trouble. Okay, this is the side from downstairs, which I think that, well, we can barely see a thing, and this is how it looks now with our parking lot light turned on. As you can see, it's really bright, which I think it's a nice feature. Okay, and I like it a lot. It gives a really good light. This is how it looks on the downstairs, and as you can see, we can see clearly. Okay, and as you can see in this comparison, it looks a lot of difference between the light turned on and off, which I think it's a good thing. And overall, I think it's really nice, perfect for your parking lot, your garage, your patio, or wherever you need it, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.